Hey guys, Dr. Joe Bretsky here with Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Georgia. I hope you all are having a fantastic evening. I wanted to answer a question that probably a lot of you have, and that is, are chiropractic adjustments to the neck safe? A lot of people are concerned about their neck. They're like, oh, I love getting popped at the chiropractor, but just not my neck. I don't want to get my neck popped. We don't do that here. First, so you don't need to worry about that. Second of all, they are safe. They're absolutely safe, and they're especially safe when you take the proper precautions and take every step along the way to make sure that you're delivering high quality care. One way we do that here at Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Georgia is by utilizing X-ray technology. What we do, we take very, very specific three-dimensional X-rays of your upper neck to see exactly how that is misaligned for you if you have misalignment. What can happen there at the top of the neck is that top bone, which is called the atlas, like in Greek mythology, Atlas, the Titan, held the world on his shoulders. Your atlas holds your world on your shoulders, your brain. If that's twisted, rotated, misaligned, that's going to cause all sorts of twisting on your brainstem, and it's going to cause you to live less quality life less than your potential. If you could be 100% of your potential or something less, what would you choose? I bet you most of you would choose 100% because you're smart like that, because you're following this page. So chiropractic adjustments to the neck are extremely safe. We make sure we take the proper precautions by utilizing X-ray. We're not a grip it and rip it kind of thing. That's exactly not what we do. You guys follow me this way. I'm going to show you exactly what an adjustment to the upper neck does. Come on a little bit closer for me. Hopefully you guys can see this poster right here. What we see is if this top bone of the neck, that's your atlas. This is your brain, that's your brain stem. If that's misaligned, see how it's gone up to the left? That's going to cause pressure on your brain stem. It's going to cause compression right there. That's going to cause all sorts of muscular problems right underneath your skull. If you have tension right there, that's a big warning sign. And this can not only cause local problems, but you get twisted shoulders, twisted hips, a short leg, knee pain, all sorts of things, because the structure, if the head is not sitting on the neck right, there's going to be compensations everywhere. So that's exactly what we do. We focus on correcting this as the cause of your health concerns. Realigning that. It's all about alignment. If you're in alignment, you're better off in alignment than out of alignment. And that's exactly what we do here. So to answer your question, are chiropractic adjustments safe? They absolutely are. So thank you guys for joining, and I will look forward to talking to you guys on the next video.